Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company The Faith X Project. They're looking for an administrator and bookkeeper. It pays up to $24 an hour. The purpose of the administrator, bookkeeper is to assist the Faith X Project in fulfilling its vision and mission by providing administrative and bookkeeping support. The two primary focuses of that support are Faith X programs overall and the Vitality Improvement Program for small parishes. The incumbent may also provide support for the Faith X consultants' external projects on an as-needed basis, to be paid for or reimbursed by the individual consultant. Typical duties: administrative tasks, correspondence with clients on behalf of Faith X and its consultants, report generation, producing neighborhood demographic reports and data maps for Faith X consultants for use with their clients, attends staff meetings, takes action notes, and updates the project management program, creates and maintains a filing system for documents, financial and project management, bookkeeping, including maintaining separate internal accounts for grant-funded activities, invoicing clients on behalf of Faith X and its consultants, receiving and booking payments received from clients, maintains an accounts payable list and pays bills where needed, determining consultant commissions according to Faith X and Datastory commission policies to be reviewed by the executive director and dispersed to the consultants, executes payments to contractors, set up and maintain project, account management software, system, account management, maintain a list of follow-up and renewal dates for MapDash, CBA judicatory platform, and eventually the judicatory vitality assessment, PR and marketing, maintains, updates website, coordinates blog schedule, reviews, edits, and posts blog submissions, social media, coordinates posting blog articles and related communications on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and other relevant social media platforms. Other duties as assigned: job type, part-time, pay up to $24 per hour, benefits, flexible schedule Monday to Friday, no weekends, COVID-19 considerations, does not apply, education, high school or equivalent preferred, experience, bookkeeping, 1 year required, Google Suite, 1 year required. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified, leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.